Thanks for watching, guys. I'd like to thank BigstackD for giving me the opportunity to supply him with some cool tongs. I've been watching his channel for quite a while now, and I really enjoy the metal pouring, but the tongs have always got on my nerves a little bit. So I wanted to make him a good set, and these are the two main diameters of Crucible he uses, which are quite large, as you can tell, but it was good fun, and it was also a good opportunity to try out a new press, do some drawing out. It was real fun to see what this thing could do. Made my life so much easier. But yeah, hopefully you enjoyed, and if you haven't seen BigstackD's channel, he does metal melting from trash to treasure, and he does some pretty cool stuff, so go check him out. I'll leave a link in the description for his channel. I'd like to take a moment to thank my patrons, Nathan, Jared, Andy, Kine, Rich, and Braden. Thank you so much for your support. Jared being my top patron, you are always the best guy ever. But all you guys, thank you so much for your support. I couldn't do this without you guys. But yeah, I really appreciate all the support from everyone. If you liked the video, please feel free to hit that like button, and if you want to see more from me, please feel free to hit that subscribe button, and make sure you hit the bell notification icon to be notified of when I upload my next video. I normally upload on Wednesdays. I also have a live stream on Saturday at 9 AM Australian Western Standard Time, so please feel free to join me when you have a spare minute. With that being said, I'm going to get inside. It's getting real warm in here. I'll see you in the next video. Have a fantastic week.
Future Sam here. I'd also like to thank my newest patron, Mike Gunnels from Fox Run Forge. Thank you, mate. Sorry I forgot you in the main video.